Creating a channel identity can feel overwhelming, but AI tools have made this process incredibly simple. I'll show you exactly how to use free AI tools to name your channel, design your brand identity, and set up your channel profile in minutes. The best part, you don't need design skills or expensive software. I'm not going to waste your time with complicated processes. We're focusing on what works right now. Let's break this down into 3 simple steps: naming your channel, creating your visual identity, and setting up your channel profile. First, let's tackle finding the perfect name. This is where many creators get stuck for weeks, but we're not going to do that. We are going to solve this in minutes using powerful AI tools like Namelix, which create short, memorable names based on keywords. What particularly makes this tool nice is that it doesn't just combine keywords. It creates brandable names that are distinctive and memorable. You can filter results by different parameters to find exactly what you're looking for. ChatGPT is another excellent option for generating creative channel names. All the prompts I use for these tools can be found in the link in the description below. You can also use ChatGPT or Claude AI to refine your options. These AI assistants can help evaluate your name choices for memorability, uniqueness, and search friendliness. It's also important to check the availability of your name across platforms. Tools like namecheck.com and noam.com.au make it easy to verify if your username is available across multiple social media sites and domains. This step is crucial if you plan to expand your brand to a website or other social media platforms in the future. Now that you have your name, let's create your visual identity with Canva. Canva has revolutionized design with its AI features, especially for YouTube creators. You can quickly create professional-looking channel art, logos, and thumbnails using their AI-powered tools. AI image generators like Ideogram AI, PicLumen, and Leonardo AI can create graphics that you can use as well for your logos, banners, and other visual elements. With your visual elements created, it's time to set up your channel profile. This includes uploading your new logo, banner, and creating your channel description and keywords. AI assistants like Claude AI are particularly good at writing natural-sounding descriptions that incorporate SEO elements. They can help you generate a professional description that balances personality with searchability. For channel keywords, specialized tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy can help you identify high-potential keywords for your niche. In my experience, Google Gemini has proven very effective at generating relevant and high-performing keywords as well. A consistent color scheme is also important for brand recognition. Canva's Brand Kit feature can help you generate a color palette that ensures all your future content maintains visual consistency. Now, let's recap what we can accomplish using AI tools. Generating a unique and memorable channel name, creating a professional banner and logo, crafting an SEO-optimized channel description, identifying high-potential channel keywords, and establishing a consistent visual identity. Remember, the most important thing isn't perfection, it's taking action. You can always refine these elements later. Even with the perfect brand identity, your channel won't grow without regular content. Set realistic expectations for yourself, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly uploads. It's better to maintain a consistent schedule for your audience that they can rely on than you to burn out trying to post daily. AI tools can help manage this workload too, from content planning to video editing. Additionally, do not underestimate the power of community engagement. Responding to comments, asking questions in your videos, and encouraging viewer participation will significantly boost your channel's performance in the algorithm. YouTube rewards channels that generate meaningful interactions, not just views. Make it a habit to always engage with your early viewers. This small investment can dramatically impact your channel's growth. Take the time and carefully work through these steps. By the end, you'll have a fully branded YouTube channel ready for your first upload. I plan to continue sharing valuable insights and AI techniques to help you further your content creation journey. My goal is to simplify the process and empower you with tools that make professional content creation accessible to everyone, and create a community where small creators can thrive, share ideas, and grow together without getting lost in the noise. If you found this helpful, please subscribe. Your support will ensure the growth of our community, and together we'll unlock the secrets to standing out in an increasingly crowded digital landscape. Now, your audience is waiting. Go take that first step and bring your channel to life.